This is IoT Group 13. For our project, we decided to use a DHT11 sensor to take temperature and humidity data and then sent from the Argon over the cloud to our hub, which will take both of their data and display them out as seen as the top row would be the node 1 and the bottom row would be the node 2 of the temperature and the humidity percentage. The data is then collected and sent to ThingSpeak, where it is also recorded. And it is then plotted out and shown.
As you can see on our code, we have written 3 codes for each. This is an example of the node code. As you can see, we use ThingSpeak and Adafruit DHT. Here is where we assign our channel numbers and our channel web key. We initiate a particle subscribe to all devices, and we assign our variables for our particle publish. For this, we will be using the variable G for Celsius, and we will be using the variable J for humidity. On the other code,
we will make sure that to add a link to our Hackster page with all the code and schematics for each of the circuits, and
with these sensors, you should be able to place them remotely anywhere that you have a wall outlet or a USB battery.
You can place them from even countries apart, and they should work through the cloud together.
There's our third teammate.
And here's just our sensor continuing to take data. If you notice that it will occasionally throw a bunch of zeros up, that is every time the hub is refreshing, subscribing to the new data that it's.
And we made these lovely cases from our 3D printers to make sure that they're good and airtight.
And we make sure to add slots onto the node cases just to ensure that there is enough airflow that the sensors will collect accurate data from its environment.
We also included some LED holes so that we can add future modifications. All right, let's go back and look at the HUD code now that the computer works. All right, so as you can see, we start off with initializing our libraries. The liquid crystal library is the new one added here. Then here is where you include your write key, which will be found on ThingSpeak. We assigned all of our all of our digital pin outs. Then we initialize our particle subscribe to ThingSpeak, gathering all 4 variables. From here, we do a publish all and use our void constant character event constant character data to output our variables and to add our degrees Celsius and our percentage signs at our given locations.
And again, we will be posting a link to our code and to our schematics in the description. And,
That's all. Thank you for watching Team 13's IoT project.